Hi everyone! Nandito na naman po ako, mag-deliver po sa araw-araw nyo mensahe na gamitin nyo lang po ito as a gabay lang po to uplift your motivation, to help understand po ba sa sitwasyon nyo po. Ito yung mensahe na gusto ipaabot ng Divine Universe na gusto nilang to let you know na okay lang, huwag kang mabahala. Diba? So, this is your message for today. Follow the path that's right for you. God blesses those who patiently endure testing and temptation. James chapter 1 verse 12. So, ayan, klarong-klaro yan. Sabi ng Divine Universe, kung ikaw ay marunong mag-endure ng patient talaga sa ano mo no, sa sitwasyon mo no, sa problema mo. Ayan. Kung sino yung makayanan no na magantay, the path is yours na ibibigay ng Panginoon. Okay, that's your message for today. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I hope that you will continue to support me. And for new viewers, please help me build my channel back, and my supporters, thank you, my lovely subscribers. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next reading. Bye for now.